Hello everybody, I'm back. Sooner than later, I actually wanted to do this unboxing and share it with you guys. And this is from Uggs. I was able to get in on a great deal during Black Friday weekend, so they have some extra savings throughout the weekend. And I'm not sure if I got this during the weekend. I think it was a weekend or Cyber Monday, which I consider as part of the weekend during Black Friday. So yeah, so I have two items. This is the first item that I'm going to share and unbox. So here we go. As you can see, it is from Uggs. But the thumbnail gave it away. Alright. I'm going to show that later. So here it is. It is something, I love Uggs because it really is great to have during the winter, because I am from the Northeast, so we have a lot of cold winters here, and this is perfect for this area. Here is, I guess, the care card, or not care card, but just a little marketing stuff. Okay, so you see that? And I'm trying to remember what, here they are. Beautiful. This is the short boot, classic short boot. Let me see if I can pan it up higher. Oh, give me a moment. There we go. So yeah, this is a classic short boot. And I usually, the only pair of Uggs I do own is the Kristen, I think, which is has more of a wedge and it's more ergonomic because I am flat-footed, so that's a beautiful pair of boots. And I was hoping to get another color in the Kristen boot. I have a pair of gray ones, and I wanted to get a black one, but of course they sold out and they weren't available on the website. So hopefully next year they'll have it again. And this is, let me show you what the exact name and code for it is. This is classic, I think it was sand was the color. See that? It's sharpening. And in this style, I believe they're a little roomier than the Kristen boots, because Kristen boots a little bit more, because of the design. I had to go half a size bigger, should I say, and I just have an 8, but 7.5 is actually my size, but I think these are probably looser, so I went with a 7. Hopefully this will fit me, so I'm gonna try it on and see if it's good, but it looks like it's gonna be fine. They have this thing in here. This stuff in here. So here we are. Beautiful color. It's like a khaki light tan color, and yeah, nice and warm. Can't wait to wear them. Yep, they look pretty good. Oh, just a better lighting on those, so yeah. And fleece, of course, lining, which is what they're known for. So that's boot number 1, and let me just see if they Oh, another thing with these boots too are that they don't have a pull tab. Oh, yeah, they fit perfectly. Warm and snug, but not too tight. Yeah, the only thing with these ones, this is the first pair I'm owning in the classic. You don't have the pull tab that the other boots I have does. So I'm actually gonna show you the other ones that I have. I actually have another pair that I bought a while back. But let's go home and continue with the unboxing for the other pair that I bought. Got some sand. And next up is pair number 2. I'm trying to remember what I bought. I think it's also boots, but I'm not sure the color or anything like that. So let's see. Go. This string is gonna fall off. Okay. Again, excuse my hands. They're dry and they have cat scratches. My cat likes to play. And he doesn't realize that his nails are very sharp, so end up getting scratched. And it is very dry, so I should put lotion on before I did unboxing, but oh well. Here's pair number 2. Alright. Let's see, is it better? Let me take it out of the box because I think this angle's too high. Again, nice. Oh yes, okay, now I remember. Yay, okay. These are a beautiful pair of rain boots. Again, these were on sale and they had my size and they're beautiful. The glossy. These come in a matte, but I think the patent leather look are so much more edgier, and I just always like patent leather. So here is the Uggs design on the side of the boot. And again, these I believe I had a size. The size that I bought are size 7, or is it 8? Oh, I bought a size 8. Oh, I hope they're not too big. There we go. I just love looking at the silver little design there. It's beautiful. And let me show you the product code so you can look it up. See it right there. Okay. Focus. All right. That is they're called the Sienna Black. Yep. Size 8 I got. And let me try these on quickly and see. They should be, because I mean these are meant, obviously they're not fur lined, they're rain boots, so they're meant to kind of have socks be worn with them. So okay, yeah, they're loose, but I think there'll be room for socks. Actually, this has the sole inside the actually has some kind of fleece lined, yeah. So I don't know if you can see it. Let me see if I can. I don't know, it's kind of hard to see because the lighting in here. Yeah, yeah, I think it's removable. Oh yeah, see? Removable fur, little fur in here. Uggs and keep you nice and warm. Perfect. Alright, so I don't think I have to return them because they're not too big, and once I have socks on, then they'll be fine. Yeah, so beautiful, beautiful Uggs. One of my favorite brands of footwear. Now I have a pair of rain boots that comfortable rain boots, quality rain boots that I can, use now. So we've had a lot of rain lately here. So there we go. Oh, and one last thing, because I did buy these during, the weekend of Black Friday for a limited time. And a certain purchase, you got like a little added gift. So let me show you what that is. It's the cutest thing. It's a beautiful, beautiful thing. So cute. I'm so glad I was able to kind of, hop on the site in a timely fashion, and they had promoted this cute little bonus gift if you were to buy, I think it was a certain amount. I don't have the packing slip, so I know what the amount was. A certain amount, and then you would get it free. So let me show you that now. Alright, I'm going to do it this way because I want to make it dramatic. So, what you got as an added bonus during a limited time was this little cute Ugg ornament, Christmas ornament. Oh my god, how cute is that? And I wonder if it's... Alright, let's continue. My camera went off. Weird. Okay. So yeah, so like I was saying, you got a little Christmas ornament. A little Ugg boot. Oh my god, look at his little zipper too. Or is that a little Ugg thing? I think it's a little Ugg. Is that adorable or what? Oh my god, that's so cute. It must be a little Ugg thing. Yeah, and glitter and gold. I mean, talk about cuteness overload. So yeah, so that's it. I hopefully, if I do decide to buy more stuff, which I really don't need to, but you never know. I've been eyeing a couple of items on my wish list, and maybe if I spoil myself again, like I always do, I will go ahead and buy them and share with you guys. So thank you again for tuning in. And let me show you the cute little boot. Yeah, so thanks again for tuning in. And hope to see you guys sooner or later. What have you. Oh, let me just put this on. I think it's just so cute. Let me pan this up. Yeah. Okay. Bye. Oops. Until next time.